Sorry, not sorry.
Touchdown.
I wasn't gonna say nothing, but it's on me heavy. I promise it's getting ridiculous after this drop. Do not
me out the plastic, I been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit, they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Through so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you home. Gave a Bentley to ballet and let that nigga try to.
Welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. What up, though? So it is June 13th. My daughter, she just graduated from kindergarten, y'all. So she had a little ceremony. They gave them a certificate. They sung like 2 songs, and we just left from celebrating. We went to First Watch, and then yeah, she left me, y'all. So she's gone right now. So I'm at Hobby Lobby and what is this? Homegoods. I'm about to see if I can find like the rest of the stuff on my list for my kitchen. I'm almost done. I got one thing that I need to order off Amazon, and then I want to find like a fruit bowl and something else. I gotta check my list, but I'm about to be done with the kitchen stuff so I can get started. And I ordered like my wallpaper tools from Home Depot, so that's gonna be here soon. They shipped it this morning. So yeah, let's go check out Homegoods and see what they have. Okay. I'm gonna check my list. So I need kitchen mat, utensil holder, tumbler, trash can, wooden fruit bowl. Okay. No, that's not it. This could be. This is too small for a fruit bowl. Don't this look like my glass table?
I'm F-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all been hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friend. I'm F-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap.
This is really cute. $80. It's cute. I cannot wait to get me a big mirror. This is only $100. This is cute. Oh, this is cute.
Good. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Did you find everything all right?
Yes. Hey y'all, what's up? It's June 15th. So I'm about to head out and make some runs. Y'all, it's about to thunderstorm. I wish I made my runs yesterday, but I need to go to JCPenney and pick up something for my kitchen. Take my daughter out for ice cream because I told y'all like 2 days ago she graduated from kindergarten. She had left me early that day, so we wasn't able to get ice cream because she got home late. So yeah, so we're gonna do it today. Yep. I'm actually waiting on a couple of packages. I got 2 from Amazon. One was supposed to have been delivered yesterday. They switched it to today. It's some more kitchen stuff. So yeah, I got everything off my list, y'all, for my kitchen. I just need one more thing, which is a kitchen mat. And I'll be able to revamp my kitchen. So I'm pretty excited about that. Oh, they finally sent my new card. About time. Oh, it's cute. It's different from the last card. Okay. So, y'all, I'm debating if I should go inside JCPenney. I got to return it would make sense since I'm already here. So I think I'm just wait for them to bring out my order. And then I'm going to go in there and do a return. And then I got a return at Dollar Tree. So they got like $5 teas. They got the $5 plus now. Well, we finally got it. I know some people may have already had it. So I got this little Scooby-Doo shirt. Y'all probably seen this at Walmart. And the inside is like sticky. Like you can feel the stickiness. Like it's poorly made. So yeah, I'm going to return this. Or not return it. Exchange it for a different one. Or exchange it for a different item. Because you can't get a refund. So that's that. Okay, thank you. I have a question. Can you do returns at any register in there, or is it?
No, it's only one register. It's the one right in the store.
Oh, so it's like right there. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna go in there and do a return. So let's see. We're gonna go in because it's a parking spot right here. You know what? I'm gonna mess y'all up. That's what's gonna happen. Let me run in here and do a return, y'all. Oh, let me show y'all what I got from JCPenney. So, oh, this thing heavy. Good quality for $20. I caught it on sale. I got a utensil holder. And y'all know my little theme is wood. Y'all see that? So cute. It got like marble. Pretty heavy. Got the feet at the bottom. It was originally $36. I paid $20, y'all. Yes. Great deal. Great deal. It is super heavy. Wow. Alright. Okay, so the utensil holder they gave me had like little cracks on it. So I'm gonna see if I can just change it for this one. This one looks better. I'm about to exchange the one I have for this one. This one got little less cracks on it.
You have to go on the elevator.
Yep, so we gotta go back down. All right, y'all.
Down. Chocolate.
Okay, so we are getting ice cream now.
Yeah. That's why when you get home, the ice cream is going
Well, look. Hi, how you doing? Can I have? Okay, you want small or medium? Medium chocolate ice cream with colorful sprinkles in a cup. And then I want to know, what's the difference between the regular banana split and the upside down banana split?
The upside down is in a cup.
Okay, I think I'll do that in the cup, the banana split.
What size? Regular or large?
Can I see the size difference, please? The large then, yeah.
Do you want the whipped cream cherry and nuts on it?
Yes, please. So the difference is the upside down banana split is in a cup instead of the boat, which is good because I'm driving and I can eat and drive with that. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, you too. Here. Okay. All right, y'all, I'm back home. I added some more cherries to my banana split because one cherry just ain't gonna do it. That makes no sense. Banana splits come with 3 cherries. So, I got my packages I was waiting on. I told y'all I was waiting on from Amazon. Anything that I show you in this video that's from Amazon will be in my storefront and the link will be below. So if you are interested in any of these products, just click my link below. So I got this soap dispensary from Amazon for my kitchen, y'all. I told y'all we almost done. So it comes with this little board. I'm gonna take out. Oh, this is cute. It says dishes. So this one will be for like my dish soap. It comes with like a little pump. But this is what the pump looks like. So it will look like that. Really cute. And then we got one for hands. Yeah, I thought these would be so cute for the kitchen. And I think I paid $10 for both of these. And this is the utensil holder I was showing y'all, because y'all know I'm doing like the marble wallpaper, or the marble, yeah, wallpaper, I guess that's what you call it, on the kitchen counter. So I got the little marble and wood, of course. And then this I got for my kitchen wall. This is also from Amazon. Let's see. Oh, I might need some little grippers. Hope that don't go slide and breaking. So I paid $20 for these, and you get 3. And it says eat. So I'm gonna put this like above my kitchen sink. So you got the E, which is really cute. A. And then you got the letter T. So freaking cute, y'all. This is too cute. Let me show y'all. So yeah, definitely go with the theme I'm going for. So the weird part is I'm having a hard time finding the perfect kitchen mat. So I'm still on the hunt for that. Like I said, I have everything now. I put like everything I bought in this corner right here, so they are still in bags. And that's the trash can. So once I find my floor mat, I'll be good to go. So I'm thinking next weekend I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, redo the kitchen. I'm gonna buy like some paint. I got like a little area I need to touch up with some paint, so I'm gonna get like a little bitty paint. Yeah, a little paint thing. But yeah, I'm pleased with everything. So this is Barnyard Designs. So this is the little card it came with these. So yeah. Hold on, y'all. Y'all just got a knock on the door. I just got another package from UPS. So I bought this from Home Depot. The wallpaper smoothing toolkit. So it looked like this. And basically it just got everything I need to you know, do my kitchen with, help me smooth out the wallpaper. I think you got like a little tool for you to cut it with. I'm about to show y'all. Also, it comes with a little measuring tape, the little cutter. Then I guess this is to smooth it out. And is this the same thing? I don't know what this is, but yeah, y'all. I got this from Home Depot because it was cheaper than what they were selling it for on Amazon. And plus they had free shipping. So I was like, oh yeah, let me get this. So yeah, I'm all set and good to go. I am excited to give my kitchen a new look. Yeah, so then I can move along in the house after my kitchen. I think I'm going to work on my beauty room and my youngest baby room. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all a little later. I'm about to finish this ice cream because it's melting. What's up, y'all? It is June 18th. I'm about to close this vlog out. But before I do, this my package? I got a package from Amazon. I think y'all stuff might be in here too.
What stuff? Not for me.
Not you. Oh yeah, here. What is this? Alright, y'all, so I got the last thing for my kitchen, which is the kitchen mat I was telling y'all about. This looks hella big. Hopefully I like them. It's 2 of them. But anyway, I'll show y'all the rugs in the kitchen vlog or whatever. But yeah, y'all, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.